Welcome to Top 10 Vault, the channel where we explore the most powerful technologies, unbelievable discoveries, futuristic inventions, and shocking facts changing our world right now. If you love AI, future technology, and mind-blowing innovations, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Today's video will show you technologies that once sounded impossible, but now they already exist. Movies once showed us futuristic worlds filled with flying cars, intelligent robots, holograms, and advanced artificial intelligence. But what if we told you, many of those technologies are already real today? From brain chips to invisible cloaking systems, engineers are creating inventions. Here are 10 future technologies that already exist. Number 10. Flying cars. For decades, people believed flying cars would remain science fiction forever. But today, several companies have already built working flying vehicles capable of carrying passengers through the air. Some prototypes can even switch between driving on roads and flying in the sky. The future of transportation may arrive much sooner than expected. Number 9. Humanoid AI robots. Modern robots can now walk, talk, recognize faces, answer questions, and even perform jobs once done only by humans. Some advanced robots are already working in hotels, factories, and hospitals around the world. Number 8. Smart contact lenses. Scientists are developing futuristic lenses capable of displaying digital information directly into your eyes. Some prototypes can monitor health conditions, while others may eventually provide augmented reality. But the technology already exists. Number 7. Brain chip technology. Companies are developing tiny computer chips that connect directly to the human brain. These futuristic devices may one day help people control computers. Some scientists believe this technology could eventually restore movement to paralyzed patients. Number 6. Holograms. Holographic technology is advancing rapidly. Scientists have already created realistic 3D projections that float in the air. In the future, holograms could replace screens, video calls, and classrooms. Number 5. Invisible cloaking technology. Researchers have already developed experimental materials capable of bending light around objects, making them partially invisible. Although perfect invisibility does not yet exist, scientists continue making incredible. Number 4. Robot surgeons. Advanced robotic systems are already assisting doctors during complex surgeries. These machines can perform highly precise movements that reduce mistakes and improve patient recovery. In some hospitals, robots are already helping save lives every day. Number 3. Self-driving cars. Artificial intelligence can now control vehicles without human drivers. Several companies are already testing autonomous taxis and delivery vehicles on real roads. Experts believe self-driving cars could completely change transportation in the future. Number 2. Smart cities. Some cities are already using artificial intelligence and advanced systems to control traffic, security, transportation, and energy usage. These futuristic smart cities are designed to become safer, cleaner, and more efficient through technology. Number 1. Artificial intelligence. And finally, artificial intelligence. AI is becoming one of the most powerful technologies ever created. Modern AI systems can generate images, create videos, answer questions, and even imitate human voices. Some experts believe AI could transform civilization more than any invention in history. And the most shocking part, this is only the beginning. The future is arriving faster than anyone imagined. Technologies that once existed only in movies are now becoming reality. And in the next few decades, the world may change more than ever before in human history. Which futuristic technology surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Top 10 Vault for more futuristic technology videos, shocking facts, and unbelievable discoveries.